Right, so here we are. This is a sugar factory. Let's go and have a look and see a traditional way of making sugar. Come along. And it will be no surprise to guess that the type of sugar we're going to be learning about is coconut sugar. Like coconut is a big deal in Thailand. It's used for so many different things. They use the leaves to weave a basket, hats. They use it for ornaments. They use it to make like utensils. You can use the coconut shell for ashes, make sugar, drink coconut water, which is, by the way, so juicy. Like these are all the different stuff that are made from coconut. When you go to Thailand, that is one thing that you can never miss, the use of coconut, including using it to make ornaments and pot. Look at that, they're growing orchids from coconut shell. How cool is this? And this is by far the coolest thing. Look at these cute coconut monkey. Like literally, they find so many uses for the coconut, including coconut sugar, which we're going to be talking about, and I'm showing you the process. So the coconut sugar, it comes how they make it the traditional way tree, and it's actually a very nice sugar. It's a good alternative to white sugar. It's perfect if you want sweetness, but you don't want to spike your blood sugar. So, like if you're diabetic, we're trying to cut down on sugar. Anyway, so the first process is they need to climb to the top of the coconut tree. So here is a long pole going up, 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 up that tree. Um, I attempted, but well, I only got as far as a few rungs, and I thought, no, I'm not going to do this. I'm on holiday. I don't want an accident. But anyway, they would climb up the tree to tap the sap from the coconut fruit. That's my guide there showing the coconut fruit. And they would have these containers which they would attach around the stem of the tree to collect the sap, and they would leave it up there until the container is filled up and then come and collect it later. So those are the coconut containers. So they would leave that, tie it, hang it on the tree so that the sap slowly sits into the container. I'm not sure how long it takes, but it probably takes quite a few hours or even days for that process. But once that is done, then they would take it out, and this is the end result. This is coconut sugar, which I couldn't resist having a taste, and it tasted very nice. Surprisingly, it doesn't actually taste like traditional coconut. It has a nice caramel-like overtone to it, and it tasted super yummy and super good. So this poster nicely shows the process. You can see the gentleman is climbing up the coconut tree. That is the fruit from the flowers from the coconut, and he is getting the sap into that container. Once they bring the sap down, they boil it down so that you have a sticky residue that is then heated up, allowed to cool, and that forms a nice coconut syrup, which can then be used in a syrup form or left to properly cool down to make sugar cubes. So here is what happens when they boiled it down completely. You can start to see that it's formed the sugar granules. Excuse the flies, this was just for demonstration purposes. I was told that they actually don't use this at all for human consumption. So this is the bit you can see that difference. So when the sugar has been heated up and boiled to get rid of all the water, this is the traditional fire that they use. I'm sure in other places they probably don't go this traditional. I have a feeling that they just did this just to kind of show us the proper traditional style of making coconut sugar. So it's all about heating up and boiling the sap so that you create like a sugary syrup, which you then transform into the coconut sugar. And we went around and had a look at the rest of the house, and yeah, they found so many uses for coconut. And well, that's for now, I hope that you have enjoyed my culinary adventures. If you want to see more of all the fun baking related, cake related, food related things that I get up to on my travels, you should check out my playlist. It'll be showing at the top of your screen and in the description section. Till my next adventure, I will see you. Happy travels, happy baking, and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Mummy Cakes channel. See you. Bye.